Guys, nandito tayo sa isang famous seafood restaurant. It's a Michelin Guide restaurant actually, and they are famous for the seafood. Marami kaming in-order na mga dish. Most of it are snails actually, and then it's good na i-dip siya sa banh mi, so we're going to try it. Now I understand. Masarap siya sa tinapay na to. Top, chewy, tapos it's a butter taste. Sarap. Okay, so dumating na yung order natin na escargot and we're going to try it na. Yan o. Perfect. Tapos sausaw natin sa suka. Let's try this one. Soup muna kasi syempre. Tanggalin natin ng balat. Really good.